Hi, my name is Katherine Welch, and I'm going to be giving a persuasive speech about animal experimentation and cruelty. I'm going to state my stance on the topic, give you the pros, the cons, just all the general facts about it, and then sum it up about what I think should be done about it and how I feel. So, to start out, just the general idea of what animal experimentation is. A long time ago, humans just came up with the idea that, hey, we have all like these illnesses and stuff. There's got to be some way we can just cut open that human body and figure out what causes it. How can we prevent it? What can we do? How's it going to react with what? And just figure out what happens. And the way we started to do that was by animal experimentation. At first, it was actually sort of covered up and not really out into the public. But as the years have gone by and we really see the benefits of all the animal research and experimentation, it's really just more kind of just common knowledge that, yes, the human race experiments on animals. However, I am very against animal experimentation. I am a devout animal lover. I have 8 cats. We house 2 dogs. And I think just the whole idea is completely inhumane, cruel, and I think as far as we have come in like the human race and all that we know and can figure out, that we are quite capable of figuring out a different way to experiment on something else in a more reasonable, less painful, cruel, gruesome way than cutting open animals and just leaving them to die in captive areas just for our own selfish benefit. And quite frankly, I mean, just the facts, if you Google it, it's horrendous. It's not just lab rats. That's a huge thing that people tend to just think it's lab rats or rodents. Even if it was, I'm very not for that. They will take puppies, kittens left in shelters. If it's a no-kill shelter, they will take animals from that and use them for experimentation. Not only are they taking animals out of their natural habitat, which they're meant to be wild, roam free, live outside, even live in homes where people take care of them, they are kept in very small, low-budget cages, not good quality food, sometimes don't even get food, sometimes no water, and it's just strictly for experimentation. And I think that is very wrong, inhumane, and not what we were meant to do with the animals that was given to us. They cut open animals, sometimes do not even put them to sleep during the process. Even if they do, they are left after these awful procedures just with no medicine, not proper veterinarian health care. The animals are just sometimes let to die or even just put to death, don't even really get a chance. They'll take animals in as babies and just keep them there their whole lives. However, it is sort of a catch-22 situation because, I mean, if it were just all bad, obviously we wouldn't have it. However, animal experimentation, sadly, it does give benefits, so that's why we still continue to do it today. It helps with human diseases, like if somebody's sick, half the illnesses we have today, we wouldn't be living half as long as we do. Helps with all sorts of cancers, bacteria, viruses, mental illnesses, even just new vaccinations to help with in the future. So that's the main reason why we do use animals for experimentation. However, while it is a bigger pro that we can save human lives and save there's mom and dads out there that are so sick and if it weren't for those few cats, dogs, bunnies, monkeys, yeah, they spared their lives, but now my mom's alive and well. I just think that if you turn around the situation and think that, this is my sweet little pet and it could easily just be in one of those laboratories getting sliced open and just probed and stuck around on, nobody would really want that, and I don't think think anybody just enjoys animal cruelty, but I do see how it has its positive effects. Overall, like I really do see that it's a problem. I'm still very against it, but I do see where people take that into consideration and continue to do it. That's why we still have it today. Um, Overall, I mean, really, I think that we can find another way to experiment and test on other things. I'm not really sure what it would be, but I know that there are very genius people out there, scientists, that could find another way to do it and still just get just as good benefits, maybe even better, without having to terrorize all the animals out in the world. And honestly, like, it is a hard topic to bring up and discuss, but I mean, it has to be done to really get the message out there and get people like active in on it, like animal rights activists, to really like help put a stop and find other solutions to animal experimentation and cruelty. And that's about it.